I am off on a bit of an adventure today, so I thought I would bring you along with me. Mum is going to be joining us, which is lovely. We're actually going to visit some relatives, and we've not been to their house before, their new house, so it is going to be quite the adventure. They live a few hours from us, so we're actually going for an overnight stay. I have heard that the drive is beautiful, and they live quite close to a village called Samford village, and in the village they've got like a Harry Potter store there, like a licensed Harry Potter store. They've got an amazing garden centre. They've apparently got a just delicious pub there. So we sort of thought before we get to their house, we're going to have a little poke around and a bit of a mooch around Samford village and just kind of immerse ourselves in the village atmosphere. But so I just thought it was going to be a really fun day, and I thought I would bring you along with us. So I'm all packed. I've got my overnight bag ready to go, and we are going to set off now. So we had actually just pulled over in the car onto the side of the road to take in this sensational view of Lake Samson. The lake is absolutely massive and it's just stunning to look at. There is so much bird life. You can see pelicans swimming along and ducks and just the birds in the trees, and it was really beautiful. And we actually followed the lake for quite a distance, so we just had these just magnificent views. How cute is this table with the little books? Look, it's so cute. I know, his little cart. We just get my coffee and come here. If you are a big Harry Potter fan, the store requirement was just amazing. They had so many incredible things from the movies. They had the sorting hat. There was like all different sort of stuffed animals you could get. You could buy wands. They had all the different kind of replica wands there. They had sort of quite large scale like Fawkes, the Phoenix. They had Fluffy. There was just some really incredible things, different sorts of, hats and backpacks and the outfits that they wore to Hogwarts and the school scarves. And there were some just really incredible, very cute things in the store. And if you're ever in Samford Village, it's definitely worth the look, I think, just to be sort of in amongst that kind of atmosphere and the ambience of the whole thing. And next door to the store of requirement is actually a cafe called the Owlery. And Mum actually went in there and got a coffee, and we sort of sat and had a coffee there. actually also had a replica of the car that Ron and Harry sort of fly to Hogwarts. Is it in the second movie maybe? But that they fly, and they think they fly into the Whomping Willow tree. They had a replica of that there, and then in the cafe itself, the bathrooms, they had done some really unique bathrooms. One of them was sort of like a dark tone that was just full of mirrors and that, and then the other one was pink, and it had all these cats, like cat images on the wall. I think similar to, is it Dolores Umbridge? She sort of had that style in the movies, and so they've kind of tried to replicate that for the bathrooms, which was really cool, just very different, and just incredible. It was a really good experience, and I definitely enjoyed going there. These are wallabies. They often will come quite close to properties or into towns and that when they're grazing on grass.
Something more with them.
Yeah, how cool is this? Look at all the different plants all in this one. I love that. Yeah.
Because you can keep the flame down, but the flame is just lovely.
Do you have
Even that one's cool. Painting, but
No, I know. This antique store was absolutely packed. So I sort of couldn't really talk to the camera too much, but they had some incredible pieces in here. Mum and I actually saw 2 paintings at the beginning that we were interested in, not so much the painting itself, but the frame was really beautiful. And I've got, as you would know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've got quite a few prints that I need to get framed. They also had some incredible magnifying glasses with these gorgeous handles. They had some insane dinner sets, like vintage, beautiful Royal Albert dinner sets. They had a typewriter that I sort of looked at. I wouldn't mind getting a typewriter, even just from like a sort of talking piece, but I think if I was going to get one, I'd probably get one that is maybe a little bit more antique than this particular one. There was an absolutely stunning chair that we saw right at the end. Yeah, there were some really amazing pieces in this store, so we'll definitely have to keep this one in mind for future when we're looking for antiques. Oh wow, this.
Now that's a tea set.
Oh, with the tray. Wow. We've just pulled over at this gorgeous park here. Look at this lake. Isn't that just stunning? I am going to end this video here. So I just wanted to bid you farewell with this absolutely amazing view. I hope you have enjoyed sort of coming along with me today and just visiting Samford Village, seeing the Harry Potter store, the garden centre. We went to the antiques. I'm not going to show you too much of my relatives' home, obviously, you know, for their privacy and things like that. And I really just want to enjoy the time when I'm there. I don't want to have to worry about filming or anything. I just want to spend the time with my family. So I'm going to say farewell. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your week and a great weekend. Thank you very much for spending the time with me, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye.